Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, anak. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, of course.
Parang
Thank you for having
tumagad ka.
I have a little assistance here.
Bigla akong, alam ko maliit ako, pero parang sobrang.
Same height na kami. Yay! Well, first of all, syempre, I should probably greet the crowd
Of course,
first.
of
First
course.
and foremost,
Greet
magandang
everybody.
gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Yeah.
And of course, belated happy birthday, Dad. I
Oh,
might as
thank
well
you.
take this opportunity to say it. And happy 37 years in the business.
Thank you, anak. Thank you at salamat naman at pumayag kang mag-guest dito ngayong gabi.
Oo naman.
As if
Matatanggihan
naman
ba kita, Dad?
As if may choice ka. Oo naman. Alam mo, kinikwento ko nga sa kanila, naalala ko pa noon, nung baby pa hindi naman baby, pero mga toddler ka pa lang. Nakita na namin ng mami mo. Yung papakitang gilas ka na gusto mo talagang tumungtong sa stage. Gusto niya talaga. Parang wala siyang stage fright.
Wala akong inhibition.
Oo, grabe.
Nung
Talaga,
bata
ang
ako.
lakas ng stage presence mo.
Ngayon na lang
Kanino
ako
ka ba-
natutong mahiya. Ngayon.
Kanino ka ba nagmana?
Siyempre, pagdating sa, tinatawag, di ba sa English, stage presence, pero sa Tagalog, kapal na mukha. Ako, siyempre, kay Ding Dong Abansabi.
Akala ko naman, anak, sasabihin mo, yung good looks mo sa akin na nakuha.
Well, nung bata ako, sige, bigay ko na yun sa'yo. Pero ngayon, dito pa lang sa baba ko, I think we can agree.
Sige na, hindi ako kukontra dyan. Kasi
Hindi ako kontra, okay.
baka ma-outside ako lang mo.
Outside ako lang po.
Pero alam mo, anak, there's one thing, if there's something that I'm really, really thankful for you is because, alam mo, dahil sa'yo, nanumbalik yung desire or yung passion ko para sumulat ulit. Yeah. Kaya, I became inspired to write music, and it's been a while since I wrote a song. But when I heard yung kinanta niya, did you like that? Right number,
Did you guys
wrong
enjoy that?
time. You know, that was originally done in English. Yeah, lalabas din yun. Oh, pero, when I heard it, I said, immediately was like, anak, ang Pinoy, pag tinagalog natin to mas mararamdaman nila.
And you were so right. What can I say? I mean, 37 years in the business, you have all the
You're
experience.
just really rubbing it
I'm
in.
really rubbing it in.
Basher
Yes.
ba kita? Ano ba?
Hindi naman, sabi ko naman. Minsan lang, sometimes. Hindi, but honestly, I just want to say, of course, thank you, of course, for being part of my journey. Like, syempre, more than just my dad, you're a mentor to me. You're one of the reasons why I feel like I have that passion for music. So, thank you for that, and thank you for believing in me, Dad.
Of course, di ba? May potential, di ba?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for such a warm response. But I must say though, like with Right Love or Wrong Time, and bukod pa dun, you've really proven yourself. Like I think everyone in this room can agree na you're such a remarkable songwriter. You have all the hits.
Tama na, okay na. Hindi ka
Sige,
na
abutan mo na lang ako.
Oo.
Hindi, pero I would say, of course, like you have all the hits to prove that. But out of all of your hits, there is that one song of yours that really does hit different, I must say.
Alin doon? Yung, alam ko na sasabihin mo.
Ano sa tingin mo?
Hindi, yung sasabihin mo, it hits different eh. Alin dun sa mga kanta ko yung hits different.
Well, feeling ko itong next song na to,
Oh.
it just hits the spot. And I think everybody in this room would agree with me once we sing it.
Let's
So,
try to do this one.
Okay ba sa inyo that we take a little trip down memory lane?
Let's serenade them to this song. Ito no, para sa mga swalinding dong listeners.
Stayed a while. How much that I could see you smile for me. Wish I could hold you in my arms, keep me safe and keep me warm. But now all I Wish that I could tell you just how much I love you.
I guess I should not fear, 'cause I know God can hear me, and He's telling me you're alright, and there's no need to worry. Oh my baby, I am so sorry. If I had known, maybe you could have been here with me. Wish I could hold you in my arms, keep you safe and keep you warm. But now all I can do is hope and long for you. You're in my mind every night and day, wishing you're part of me in every way. 'Cause all I wanted to do was always be there for you. I wish you could have stayed a while. I wish that I could see you smile, baby. Wish I could hold you in my arms, keep you safe and keep you warm. But now all I can do is hope and long for you. You're in my mind every night and day, wishing you're part of me in every way. 'Cause all I wanted to do was to always be there for you. I wish that I could tell you just how much I love you. Ladies and gentlemen, Jada!
Thank you so much. Tanong muna namin.
Teka, sandali ba? Bakit ka nagmamadali? Sandali, ikaw naman. Minsan lang naman tayo.
Kasi gusto ko mapanood yung
Ha?
next guest mo.
Ano?
Gusto ko mapanood yung next guest mo.
Eh, bakit ikaw lang ba? Pati ako gusto ko Dito ka lang